To add custom domains to your landing pages, go to Forms and either create a new landing page in the landing pages area or just use one of the landing pages you already created. Just click the title. You see you have no domain settings here at this moment because there are no domains added. To add domains, click Edit and either use Add Your Domain or go here and click Add New Domain. I'm going to use landingdomain.com. That's what I just bought. And read this, please. If you add www to this domain, what will happen is you will not be able to use your domain anymore with any blog or anything you are using it with. So don't use this unless you're creating this custom domain specifically for your landing pages, in which case it's okay. And I'm going to leave it like this. Go back, and I'm going to add another one in case you are using this domain for your blog or something else. You can create another one specifically for your landing pages. So I'm going to add pages here. Now we can go back, and there you go. You can use your custom domains now, either the www one or the pages.landingdomain.com. Now, you can also add something after the slash, about, for example, right? Now let's click Save and Continue. Now here's your URL, but it's not going to work unless you actually add DNS records to your hosting company where you registered your domain name. Now let's do this. There's a ton of different panels for this. I'm just going to use one, GoDaddy. But what you basically need to do is look for something that is called DNS zones or manager zones, or you can go to your specific domain. In this case, it's right over here, manage DNS records. And if you have problems with this, it's good to look through the help section of the company you registered your domain with, or talk with them to help you figure this out. In the case of GoDaddy, you just add a DNS record like this. The type is CNAME. The host will be www. We added landingdomain.com. But in this case, this part is going to be added automatically. So we're just going to delete that. And it points to our default servers, which are landing.subscriberpage.com. Save. And I'm going to add another one. I'm going to call it Pages this time. And there we go. Now this might take some time before it actually starts working. But if you added things exactly like I did and added things right here in your panel, it should work. So let's go back. Let's copy this URL. Open a new tab. And there we go. Now, if we go back, you will also notice that you have a new menu item here, Domains. Now, if you click here, you'll have access to the domains you added. And let's go back again. And just remember that when editing, if you leave this empty, it will just use this domain name. And if you use www, make sure you don't have anything under that domain, like a blog or anything. Well, that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.